Hey guys, it's Marissa, and today's video is going to be day one of my period routine. It's gonna be like a period vlog kind of thing, so come with me. You're gonna see some pads, some tampons, some Marissa dying with cramps. And the first thing I do though, before I get started with my period routine, is I wanna talk about my favorite dossiers of the month, which are aromatic watermelon and woody green apple. And oh my gosh, they smell so fresh and so clean, just like that Outkast song. So fresh and so clean, clean. And these just smell incredible. Like, I feel like a lot of girls can be self-conscious about how they smell on their period. I don't know why. I never was, or like, I mean, yeah, I don't think I ever was. But some girls can be really like, oh my God, it smells bad. It smells like fishy or whatever. So I just think it's nice to like obviously shower regularly, have good hygiene, but then just do a little spritzy, just in case you do feel a little stanky. I am not, but and Dossier recreates high quality perfumes at basically just really affordable prices. All their perfumes are made in Grasse, France. They have a new payment system where you can select catch at the last step of checkout and get some store credit. So that's pretty cool. So Dossier is amazing, great buy, not just when you're on your period, on and off your period. And yeah, I will link them below for you guys. So here I am, day one of my period. I was feeling pretty bad. My nurse, Sushi Noodles, had to come and take care of me. And as you can see, I have a whole like array of liquids. I have Gatorade, I have ginger ale, I had Sprite. I was feeling so bad. And also I had eaten like something spicy and it had really upset my stomach. I think obviously being on my period did not help, eating spicy food. And yeah, I was just feeling horrible, literally laying on the couch and in bed like all day for like, I want to say 2 days. And normally I don't really get cramps or like that bad of stomach aches when I'm on my period, but I think it was like a combination of the food poisoning mixed with being on my period that just made it extra bad. So this was like definitely the worst period I've had in quite a long time.
Yeah, here, I'll do one of you.
So 2 days later, I went to Knott's Berry Farm, which was really fun. They have this thing called the Boysenberry Festival, and boysenberries are this really delicious berry. They kind of taste like blackberries, but they're like slightly different. And Knott's Berry Farm, if you guys don't know, it's like a theme park, but they have a lot of really fun coasters there. It's kind of near Disneyland, and it's really, really fun. So yeah, I went to the Boysenberry Festival. They had a ton of really delicious foods.
Piggies?
And going to a theme park, especially when you're on your period, can seem really like daunting and really dramatic, but I just like to bring a lot of tampons with me. I personally don't prefer pads when I'm going to a theme park because they tend to like chafe because you're walking around a lot, so it's just not very practical to be wearing a pad. But like before, I used tampons a lot. I would wear pads, but I just make sure to bring way more than I need. And this is actually something I do even when I'm not on my period, but I love to bring an extra pair of undies just because you get so sweaty down there, and like also sometimes there's water rides and you just want to feel like fresh throughout the day. And something else I bring a lot of is actually panty liners. I think that these are really good simply because I'm not going to be bringing like 4 changes of undies throughout the day. So this is just nice for like if I don't feel like changing my undies yet or something like that. Like, just, you know, it's easy. And also it's just good to wear them with tampons, because in case there's any like leaks or anything, you're constantly like sitting in seats for rides and things like that. So it just makes the most sense. So they had lots of really good food, and we actually tried the boysenberry elotes, which were delicious. And then we also got this boysenberry mango mint lemonade, which was super refreshing, delicious, especially when you're on your period, you need to cool down a bit. And then we also tried this boysenberry bread pudding, which was so yummy as well. Also, I recently told this funny story of how I got my period at Six Flags Magic Mountain, so definitely go watch that video if you haven't. It was like funny but also embarrassing. It was like funny that it happened so long ago, but yeah, definitely don't want to repeat that. So the next day we actually went to the Shazam premiere, which was really fun, and there was a lot of cool stuff to do at the pre-party. It was actually really rainy that day, but they had a lot of like games and fun stuff, and then we got to take some photos on the carpet, and there were all these fun games. They had like basketball and skee ball. And the red carpet was literally like squishy with water. So I just wanted to dress really comfortably. I wore this cute studded leather jacket and then some cute lightning inspired leggings, because Shazam is all like, he's like all lightning-y if you haven't seen the movie. And then here we are in the theater. I was about to eat some popcorn. I thought I was posing for a photo, but it was actually a video. And they had like Skittles everywhere. I guess that's like a reference from the movie. But yeah, we were waiting for the movie to start, and then it was just time to get our snacks in order and do the dang thing. Thank you guys so much for watching my period vlog, day 1. Hopefully I survived because honestly, yeah. Look, we'll see how the rest of this period unfolds, but day 1 was, woo, it was the worst period I've had in a while. Let's just say a while. And I love you guys. Mwah. Big kiss and bye guys.